Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research. Try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another update for you. And this is a brand I never heard of, never had the perfume from. And I thought I'm buying an Italian brand because of the name. It's called Vittorio Bellucci. So I thought naturally that must be an Italian brand, but it turns out to be a Polish brand, which is very interesting. So this one in particular is called Aqua Gourmand Expert. Is Eau de Parfum 100 ml, is aimed for men. United Kingdom, you can find it under £30. And for the presentation, it's a very simple presentation, but it does the job perfectly. You know, the box, it protects the bottle, and bottle is quite nice. It's classic, nothing to shout about, but it's quite nice and it looks good. So in terms of presentation, for the price, is good. In terms of performance, unfortunately, it doesn't perform that well. In terms of longevity, on my skin went up to 5 hours. On t-shirt it goes up to 7 hours. But the problem is it doesn't project that much. You might have about a half an arm length of projection for 20 to 30 minutes, and after that it becomes a skin scent. So if you like it personal, if you like it understated, if you like it something close to your body, you don't want it to shout too much, this is good for you. But if you like me, I like my perfumes to perform, to be loud, and then I can control the trigger, then this is not good for you. So in terms of longevity, as I said, on my skin went up to 5 hours, on t-shirt goes up to 7 hours. But the problem is it doesn't project that much, very close to the skin. So after 30 minutes it becomes a skin scent basically. So if you like a skin scent, something like to use as before bed, after shower, in the confined spaces, inside the car or inside the office, gym, casual, things like this, is quite nice smelling in this one actually. But yeah, that was a little bit of disappointment, especially for Eau de Parfum. So in terms of projection and longevity, as I said, quite weak, but the smell wise is very nice. So it smells fresh, it smells happy, it smells uplifting, it smells bright, it smells summer, it smells aquatic, it smells citrusy, it smells floral, and it smells woody. Overall, this is what you're getting in terms of the smell of it. In terms of smell, no problem whatsoever. It smells very good. But because of that performance, it let it down a bit. So again, if you don't mind it to be understated, personal, not too big, skin scent, something very close to you, then this is good for you, especially under £30. Sometimes it's even cheaper. You can find it, if you are googling it, you can find it for much cheaper prices than that. So let me read you the ingredients and we take it from there. So on top we have lemon, eucalyptus, grapefruit, and bergamot. Yeah, when it opens up, it opens super citrusy. It's like amalgamation of many citrus, and which is correct in here. And that eucalyptus giving it a hint of bitterness, not too much, very small amount. They shouldn't even put it there, because when you hear the name eucalyptus, is like, whoa, is one of the strongest notes in in terms of perfume you can find. But in here is a very minute amount, and it gives it a little bit of that camphorous green bitterness to the fragrance. Overall, this fragrance is very moderate on the sweetness. Almost there is no sweetness in here. Very moderate. In terms of 0 to 10 being the sweetest fragrance ever, this is around 3 to 4. So very small amount of sweetness in here, which is mainly coming from those citruses, and they don't last either. So the citruses maybe 10-15 minutes and gone. So then you'll end up with those white florals, which is jasmine, orange blossom, and also violet in here, giving it a hint of powderiness and a little of beautiful balance in the mid. And the seawater here is giving it that hint of again swimming pool, hint of seasidey, hint of saltiness in here, hint of beach. So it is quite oceanic, not oceanic, sea salty, and it is smell of beach, and it's like you're sitting on the beach and you're smelling the breeze of the beach. In the base we have amber, cedar, vetiver, and musk. Musk in here is very clean. It's a very small amount. Vetiver giving a hint of greenness, and again very small amount. In here everything is just done very small amount. So overall, if you like it very personal, very understated, very subdued, very close to the skin, and you don't want it to shout, this is a very good fragrance. But otherwise it's not good for you. And the cedar in here again is a very by the time it gets to dry down, it gets woodier and woodier, and the cedar in here is very clean. Amber overall is a hint of amberiness in here, which is effervescent and transparent and very airy amber. So I wish he had a better projection. If he was projecting very, an arm length for 2 to 3 hours, it would have been perfect. I would have recommended it highly. But because of that performance lets it down, it's up to you. If you want to do your research, if you're interested, go and see if you can find it for a good price. For a price, it smells great, but it doesn't perform. So on the t-shirt, it stays longer, about up to 7 to 8 hours on t-shirt. But again, you have to go heavy on the trigger. First, I put about 10 sprays of it, 5 on skin, 5 on t-shirt, and after like half an hour, so I said, where is it? So I would, when I smell it like this, it was there, but in the air, it wasn't. But if I moved a little bit, you get a hint of it here and there. So on t-shirt, it lasts much longer, about 7 to 8 hours, and you have to go heavy on the t-shirt and material. So if you are going to get this, don't put it on skin, because it's going to be a waste of basically perfume. After a couple of hours, you won't smell it. Better to put it on t-shirt, and it stays longer, and also you can smell it from time to time. And the good thing about it is it's, colorless juice in here, so it doesn't matter if you put on t-shirt and material. So that was the story of this fragrance. In terms of age, this is ageless. Anybody from 15 to 100 can wear it. In terms of gender, it is a little bit on the masculine side, but not too much. It's not uber masculine, so if you're a lady and you like this kind of fragrances, you can easily wear it. In terms of occasion, this is very casual, daytime, going to gym, going to work, doing your chores, after shower, before bed, and things like that. This is good application for that. After shower is very good, because it adds to your cleanliness and your soapiness. Got a hint of soapiness in here as well, and a hint of powderiness overall. So smell wise, very good, but unfortunately again the performance let it down. In terms of the season, this is better suited for warmer weather. In cooler weather, it won't have any chance of performing whatsoever. Probably after 20 minutes it's gone, or half an hour. So it's better suited for warmer weather, but again, it's better to use it on t-shirt and material rather than skin, because it would be a waste of basically perfume. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. Let us know if you have anything else, any experience with the brand, any other of their offerings and other perfumes. Are they all weak and they don't perform, or are they, some of them are better performing than others? So that would be useful again for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that you should know about. But then now you know what the weakness and the strength of these fragrances, and you can decide for yourself. If you want to purchase more of my own perfume, now you're talking. My Persian Summer is a beast mode. You put on the skin, 24 hours still in your skin. If you put on materials, it goes for days and weeks. So now we're talking about ultra beast mode fragrance, which is beautiful for summer, super fresh, very floral, and it is one of the best perfumes you will ever sniff in terms of personality, in terms of the uniqueness of it, and also the strength of it. It's just basically mesmerizingly beautiful. I leave in the link as well. Thank you very much as always, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.